Hello everyone, today I will introduce some basic operations of window linkage in the operations group under display module as a whole. Window linkage requires that the current project has more than 2 point clouds. When you create a new mapping project, you must import enough point cloud data. Firstly, click Window Link under Operation Group of Display Module in the menu bar to activate this function. The Window Linkage dialog box will pop up. There are 2 main point cloud file lists in the window. The current file indicates that the file will be displayed in the 3D viewport, and the point cloud file and the contrast file will be displayed in the linkage viewport. After selecting a point cloud, click to move the point cloud file from the current file to the contrast file, click All to move all the point cloud files to the contrast file, and click to move the selected point cloud files from the contrast file to the current file, and click All to move all point cloud files to the current file. After checking the cross line will be displayed in the 3D viewport and the linkage viewport. After completing the above operations, you can enter the linkage comparison state. This video for window linkage is explained here. Thank you for watching.